Welcome to my channel. Good day, my brothers and sisters on the roads of Nigeria. I am Traffic Enlightenment Officer Tade. Today, I bring you proper enlightenment on one of the major causes of accidents, overtaking. Overtaking is when you move past a slower vehicle by changing lanes.
Remember LSLM. Look, signal, look again, move.
Step 1. Look. Check your mirrors and blind spot. Step 2. Signal. Switch on your indicator early to tell others your intention. Step 3. Look again. Make sure the road's still completely clear before moving.
Patience is cheaper than fines or hospital bills. If in doubt, don't overtake. Drive safe and arrive alive in Nigeria. Remember, overtake from the left side only.
Step 4. Move E. Accelerate smoothly, pass quickly, and return to your lane safely.
Traffic laws are not just rules. They are life-saving measures designed to protect you and others. These wrong overtaking mistakes are killing people daily. If you are caught, you might pay heavy fines. Obey all traffic rules and every law enforcement agent on the road in Nigeria.
If you found this video useful and informative, please like, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends and family.